to save money for a rainy day. So before starting this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell button for more updates. So let's get started. So there are a few points. First, define what's a rainy day means. Explain what constitutes a rainy day. This can include unforeseen circumstances like job loss, medical emergencies, or urgent home repairs. Having a clear understanding help motivate you or your saving efforts. So the second one is set a saving goals. Determine how much money you want to save for emergencies. A common recommendation is to aim for 3 to 6 months worth of living expense. This goal will give you a target to work towards. So the next point is create a budget, develop a budget that incorporates saving for your rainy day funds. Allocate a specific amount each month to this fund, treating it as a fixed expense to ensure you consistently contribute to it. So the next point is open a separate saving account. Consider opening a separate saving account specifically for your rainy day fund. This will help you keep your saving distinct from your regular spending and make it less tempting to dip into those funds. Next part is automate your saving. Set up your automatic transfer your check accounts to your rainy day saving accounts each month. Automate your saving, make it easier to build your funds without having to think about it. So next point is cut unnecessary expenses. Review your spending habits and identify areas where you can cut back. This could include dining out less, canceling unused subscription, or finding cheaper alternatives for everyday expense, allowing you to save more. So next point is use windfalls wisely. When receive unexpected money such as bonuses, tax funds, or gifts, consider putting a portion or all of it into your rainy day funds. This can significantly boost your saving quickly. So the next point is track your progress regularly. Monitor your saving progress. Set milestones to celebrate along with the way, which can motivate you to continue saving and remind you of the importance of having financial safety net. So the next resist and adjust. Periodically resist your saving goals and financial situation. If your income change or if you achieve your initial saving goal, just adjust the amount you save or set a new goal to continue building your financial security. So thank you for watching.